Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra and welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to see more of my videos. So today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the ZARA canvas top bag. Guys, the first time I saw this bag, it was on Instagram and I was so blown away. I thought this bag is like, you know, above 50 euros, but to my surprise it was only 19.99, and to add the initials you only add 3 euros. So guys, with that price I was sold. I wanted to try it, so today I ordered the bag. So let's just get into the video. I'm talking too much. So the bag comes in this huge box right here. It has ZARA, and then let's unbox it again. When you open it up, comes in this silver box. So guys, I personally ordered for this silver box. If you want, like, I really wanted this to be so special, so I added extra 5 euros for this box. I wanted to have that luxury unboxing because this bag gives me the Louis never full tote bag, so I wanted to have that luxury feel. And yeah, so this is how it comes. This is the it comes in this silver box. Inside it has ZARA in silver. So this is how it looks. When you open it up like this, oh my god, oh my god, how cute! Oh my god, I am speechless. I love it. So let's first take this out. This is the bag, guys. How cute, how cute. I am so impressed with this. I went for this color because it gives more of a luxury feel, the beige. And this bag can also come in a khaki, but I love this one because it gives you that, you know, luxury feel to it. So when you open it up, this is it has a little clip here. When you open, this is the inside. And it comes with a little pouch. It's also canvas with a zipper. This bag is so spacious, guys. I think you can a lot of things inside this bag, and this thing is not detachable, so it stays in the bag. I really love this brown detailing on the beige color. It is so nice. I love the quality. So guys, I love this bag. Just first look at it. Wow, 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 wow. I love the colors. I love the colors. And this bag is so spacious because, like, it is big. It is big. So this is the bag. So you can customize your initials. This is my first name and my surname. So yeah. And of course you can customize it in different colors. There is a green or something. Yeah, but I customized mine in a brown so that it matches with this whole brown detailing here. And this is like a faux leather, so but it feels really good. I really love the bag. I love the packaging. It gave me that whole, you know, that whole nice luxury unboxing. Yeah, so I was really impressed, guys. I was really impressed. And of course, I'll leave this bag down in the description for those that want to order it. This bag gives me luxury, expensive feel, and we're all about those vibes, right? Yeah, of course, you know, we're all about those vibes. So this is the bag. This is a closer look. I love it. I cannot wait to go on vacation. You know, I throw on my bag with some beautiful beige sandals. This is cute. So guys, that's all I had for you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.